Welcome back. What we're now going to do is we're going to use single shot prompting in order to ask ChatGPT to create images that will be covers for both a Word and PowerPoint document. Ordinarily, you would use a structured prompt with all of the elements. However, for the sake of this video, we are going to use an unstructured prompt, and it's going to be a single shot prompt. We are now going to click Enter, and we're going to allow ChatGPT to create the image on our behalf. What we are now going to do is we're going to create a second image, and we're going to create that image in a paper size format. Once we have our prompt, we're then going to click Enter. We're then going to allow ChatGPT to create our image. And we now have our new image. And this particular image does have writing in it that we may or may not want. The writing is not spelled correctly, so we're going to edit this element. We're going to make this element smaller, and we're going to ask ChatGPT not to include the misspelled words. And we have now corrected our image. So we now have our images that we will be using for both our presentation as well as our cover page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.